Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to get your Roblox user ID on mobile. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your mobile device. Once you are in your internet browser, use the search bar this time. And then in the search bar, search for Roblox.com. After hitting enter, wait for the website to fully load. In here, you are going to look for the search results that says www.roblox.com. It should be the first search result. Then tap on it. Once done, you are now redirected to Roblox.com, and then tap to Continue in Browser. You need to make sure you choose that. In here, Roblox.com should fully load. Just wait for it to finish. In here, make sure you also log in your Roblox application. Then, tap on your profile photo over at Roblox. Now wait for Roblox to finish loading once again. Now, tap on Roblox.com once again. In here, you will see now your user ID. It is users/4219. It's a series of numbers, so all you have to do is copy that one. And that's how you see it. You can only do this if you also use internet browser. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe.